Good morning, Philippines! So we are here in the Castle Peak Hotel in Cebu City. Gamay ila swimming pool guys, pero nindot siya niya. Nice kaayo ang view. Nice di siya kaliguan if magabi for night swimming guys ba. O diba, laisyo kayo guys. Nindot kayo. Mao ang view ngayong makita guys niya. Makita yun mo ang the whole city guys ba. Near ni siya sa IT Park. Muna day, nice kayo day ang view. Makita mo ang the whole city. O diba, laisyo.
You can see the whole city.
Indot kayong panahon karon day.
It's a beautiful.
Wag siya nagdagumon guys. Indot kayo.
It's a beautiful
Maligo, mag sightseeing.